The purpose of this short video is to remind you how to properly share a Google document or a Google Slides presentation or a Google spreadsheet or anything really from the Google Suite in Canvas properly. A lot of people have a tendency to come up and copy this link, and actually that works great if you want to copy it and paste it and open it yourself, but that doesn't work great for your teacher to be able to open it. It's just not a proper share link. The proper way to share a Google document or anything in the Google Suite is to click on the share button, this rectangular button right here. Once you click on the share button, this little dialog box comes up, and then you click on Get Shareable Link. After that pops up, you can just click on Copy Link. Then you have everything you need to be able to submit your document. You would go to Canvas, for example, to my class, and the particular assignment that we have been working on this week is Module 6, Digital Media Presentation. So you would go to Digital Media Presentation in Module 6, which is towards the top in the modules, and your screen will look different than mine. You will have a blue button that says Submit Assignment. Once you click on that blue button, there will be an area down here where you can paste the website URL that you just copied from your document. And then you can submit the assignment. It's that easy. Thank you.